Hello everyone and welcome to the channel English Learner. Today we are going to revise American literature. हम American literature के कुछ ऐसे poets, कुछ ऐसे writers करेंगे which are very important for all the PGT exams. So let us begin. First we are going to start with Robert Frost. We are going to cover the facts in the form of one-liner questions. What was the full name of Robert Frost? So full name of Robert Frost is Robert Lee Frost. In which city was Frost born? So he was born on in San Francisco, California. Which Confederate general was Frost named after? So किनके नाम के ऊपर उनका नाम रखा गया है? So it was Robert E. Lee. In what year was Robert Frost born? So he was born in 1874. To which state did Frost move at the age of 11 जब उनके father की death हो गई थी? So he moved to Massachusetts. What was the occupation of Frost's father, William Prescott Frost Jr.? He was a journalist and he was a politician. उनकी mother का नाम क्या है? Who was of Scottish descent? The name is Isabella Moody. Robert Frost shared the title of High School Valedictorian with which person? उन्होंने ये टाइटल किसके साथ शेयर किया था? उन्होंने शेयर किया था एलिनोर वाइट के साथ जो उनकी फ्यूचर में वाइफ भी बनी. What was the title of Frost's first professionally published poem in 1894? So जो first professionally published poem थी that was My Butterfly and Elegy. Which magazine paid Frost $15 for his first published poem? So किसके लिए उन्हें ये अमाउंट मिला था? मैगजीन ने जो पे किया था that was the Independent. इंडिपेंडेंट मैगजीन ने उनको $15 पे किए थे for the first published poem. Which two Ivy League universities did Frost attended without ever earning a degree? उन्होंने कोई डिग्री अर्न नहीं की थी उसके बावजूद उन्होंने कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी की लीग अटेंड की थी? दैट वाज डार्टमाउथ कॉलेज एंड हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. In what year did Robert Frost marry Eleanor Miriam White? So Eleanor Miriam White की उनसे शादी कब हुई थी? That was in 1895. Name any two odd jobs कि full time poet बनने से पहले Frost क्या काम करते थे? He was a teacher, he was a cobbler also, and he was a farmer also. On which famous farm did Frost spend 1900 to 1911? 11 साल उन्होंने किस farm पे spend किए थे? That was the dairy farm, New Hampshire. To which country did Frost move in 1912 to start his literary career? So he went to England. Which famous modernist poet wrote the first favorable review of Frost's work in England? तो किन्होंने उनके लिए favorable review लिखा था? That was Ezra Pound. Who was the British poet and a close friend of Frost who inspired The Road Not Taken? कौन है जिनकी इंस्पिरेशन से जिनसे इंस्पायर होकर उन्होंने रोड नॉट टेकन लिखी है? That was Edward Thomas. With which group of British poet is Frost often associated? So he is associated with the Georgian poets. At which college उन्होंने he served as a poet in residence for how many years? For many years. That was Amherst College. कौन सी लाइन है जो रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट के एपिटाफ पे लिखी गई है? दैट इज आई हैड अ लवर्स डिस्प्यूट विद द यूनिवर्स. What was the title of Frost's first collection of poetry जो 1913 में आई थी? That was A Boy's Will. Which collection is famously known as Robert's Book of People? So कौन सी collection है जिसको Book of People बोला जाता है? That is North of Boston. In which 1916 collection was Road Not Taken first published? So Road Not Taken poem है लेकिन किस collection के अंडर वो published हुई थी? The name of the collection is Mountain Interval. Which 1923 collection is named after a New England state? The name of the collection is New Hampshire. कौन सी collection है which explores the contraries through the metaphor of water? that is West Running Brook. कौन सी कलेक्शन में रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ने शो किया है an increased interest in the social and political themes that is a further range. Which collection was written during a period of intense personal grief in 1942 that is a witness tree. Which 1947 collection contains most skeptical and editorialized poem that is Steeplebush. What was the title of Frost's final poetry collection? Final poetry collection कौन सी थी उनकी In the Clearing. According to Road Not Taken, speaker क्या realize करता है? The speaker's main realization is that the choice are often arbitrary and we must justify them later. यानी जो भी choices आप life में लेते हैं आपको future में उसको justify करना होता है either ways. In Mending Wall, what is the neighbor's repetitive old adage? क्या लाइन है जो उसमें बहुत फेमस भी है? That good fences make good neighbors. Which poem uses swinging to balance reality and imagination? It is Birches. What is the iconic final line of Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening? So इनकी last final lines, iconic lines क्या है? That is, and miles to go before I sleep. Which poem deals with the exhaustion following a harvest? So the poem that is dealing with the exhaustion is After Apple Picking. In The Death of a Hired Man, how does Mary define home? वो home को कैसे define करती है? It's a place where you have to go there, they have to take you in. Which short poem compares the end of the world to passion and hatred? That is Fire and Ice, जो कि class 10 के आपके CBSE syllabus में भी है. Nothing Gold Can Stay is a poem about which specific theme? It is about the transience. Beauty और life का ये nature बताना that nothing is permanent in life, everything is temporary. Which tragic poem is a dialogue about the death of a child that is home burial? The title Out Out is an allusion to which Shakespeare play that is related to Macbeth. Which poem did Frost recite at the inauguration of JFK? कौन सी poem है जो उन्होंने JFK के time पे recite की थी? That is The Gift Outright. Which sonnet describes a lonely walk through the city at night that is acquainted with the night? In True Tramps in Midnight, what two things did Frost wish to unite? किस चीज को वो unite करना चाहता है? That is work and hobby. Work, vocation and a vocation. Which poem discusses the inner desert of a human soul, that is Desert Places? कौन सी bird है which asks what to make of a diminished thing, that is the oven bird? Which late masterpiece involves a hidden goblet and a lost house, that is Directive? How many Pulitzer Prizes did Robert Frost win? तो उन्हें 4 Pulitzer Prize मिले हैं. कौन सी कलेक्शन के लिए उन्हें फर्स्ट पुलित्जर प्राइज मिला है वो भी 1924 में, दैट इज न्यू हेम्पशायर. सेकंड किसके लिए मिला है? कलेक्टेड पोम्स के लिए 1931 में मिला है. और किस कलेक्शन के लिए थर्ड मिला है 1937 में, दैट इज अ फर्दर रेंज. और जो लास्ट उनकी पर्सनल ग्रीफ से रिलेटेड है उसके लिए फोर्थ पुलित्जर मिला है 1943, दैट इज अ विटनेस ट्री. What was Frost's original title at the Library of Congress? So main उनका क्या title था? That he was a consultant in poetry. Which high civilian honor did Congress award Frost in 1960? तो उन्हें मिला था Congressional Gold Medal. Who was the first US president to have a poet read at his inauguration, जिसको हमने JFK बोला था, that is John F. Kennedy. How many honorary degrees उन्हें मिली है Frost को? Over 40 degrees. Which prestigious prize did he win in 1963? उन्हें Bollingen Prize मिला था. Of which state was Frost named after the first poet laureate in 1961? That is Vermont. बाय व्हाट अनऑफिशियल टाइटल वाज फ्रॉस्ट नोन, उनको क्या बोला जाता था? उनको अनऑफिशियल पोएट लॉरिएट ऑफ यूएस बोला जाता था. In which year was the Frost elected to the American Academy of Arts and Literature? So he was elected in 1916. कौन सा medal है which was awarded to him by the Kennedy administration? That was the National Medal for Literature. The road not taken was a private joke. For which friend? That was for Edward Thomas. Frost is known or is called as the poet of New England. Does Frost view nature as kind mother और डिटैच्ड और इनडिफरेंट? तो उन्होंने नेचर को हमेशा दिखाया कि नेचर डिटैच्ड है और नेचर जो है वो ह्यूमन के लिए इनडिफरेंट है. व्हाट इज फ्रॉस्ट टर्म फॉर कैप्चरिंग स्पीच रिदम? स्पीच के रिदम को कैप्चर करने के लिए उन्होंने टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज की है विच इज द साउंड ऑफ सेंस. व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी मीटर यूज्ड इन फ्रॉस्ट नैरेटिव पोम? वो ब्लैंक वर्स में लिखते हैं इन आयम्बिक पेंटामीटर. What did Frost compare writing free verse to? फ्री वर्स को वो किससे कंपेयर करते हैं? क्योंकि खुद तो वो ब्लैंक वर्स में लिखते हैं, तो फ्री वर्स को वो बोलते हैं प्लेइंग टेनिस विदाउट अ नेट. Frost modernized which Greek poetic form involving shepherds? कौन सी ग्रीक पोएटिक फॉर्म है जिसमें शेफर्ड्स का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको पेस्टोरल बोलते हैं और एक्लॉग्स बोलते हैं. A poem begins in delight and it always ends in wisdom. Was Frost a fan of modernist experimentation या फिर traditional forms? So he was a fan of traditional forms. What do walls and birches serves in the poetry? Walls और birches का क्या role है? These are the human barriers and spiritual aspirations. Which quality describe his poems having multiple meanings? वैसे भी multiple meanings के लिए जो word use होता है that is ambiguity. Which critique described Frost's universe as terrifying? किसने बोला है कि उसका यूनिवर्स जो है वो टेरिफाइंग है? इट इज सेड बाय लियोनेल ट्रिलिंग. इन विच essay डिड फ्रॉस्ट डिफाइन डिलाइट टू विजडम? जहां पे उन्होंने बोला है द पोम begins in delight and ends in wisdom, it is in the figure of a poem makes. Does Frost use flowery language or colloquial language? That means everyday language. So he uses colloquial language. What is the middle way in Frost philosophy? मिडिल वे क्या है? कि हम एक्सट्रीम्स के बीच में बैलेंस बनाएं. Like a balance between passion and reason. What is the difference between solitude and loneliness? See, solitude जो है वो पीसफुल होता है, जबकि loneliness में spiritual isolation होती है. Which philosophy of endurance is seen in his character that is called Stoicism? What are the dialogues in North of Boston modeled after? So they are model taken as a model from Virgil's Eclogues. What is the term? कौन सा figure of speech है which is used as a part representing the whole, that is synecdoche? Which forms allow character to reveal inner thought, that is dramatic monologue? Which modern theme is present in rural work? उसमें alienation दिखाई गई है, anxiety दिखाई गई है. Which poem says that men work together whether they work together or apart? So it is said in The Tuft of Flowers. In mowing, what is the sweetest bream labor knows? That is the fact. What does the backward flow represent in West Running Brook? It is the resistance to time and death. Who is the central character in The Death of a Hired Man? Central character कौन है? Central character is Silas. Which verse drama is based on the book of Job? That is a mask of reason. कौन सा verse drama है which is based on the story of Jonah, which is the mask of mercy? कौन से इंडियन पीएम हैं जिन्होंने फ्रॉस्ट की लाइंस को अपने डेस्क पे रखा था? दैट इज जवाहरलाल नेहरू. विच पोएट क्रिटिसाइजेस फ्रॉस्ट सिंपल फार्मल पर्सोना? कि उनका पर्सोना जो है वो एक सिंपल फार्मर जैसा है. दैट वाज सेड बाय W.H. Auden. What is the dark forest term dark frost refers to? So dark frost is his bleak and tragic poems. कौन सा sonnet है which questions a dark design in nature? That is design only. In Never Again Would Birds' Song Be the Same, whose voice is cited here? Eve's voice is cited here. Which poem criticizes looking at the sea, but then failing to see the truth? That is neither out, far, nor in deep. Provide is a satirical look. Kiske towards satirical look, that is the old age and forgotten glory. In Choose Something Like a Star, यहाँ पे स्टार क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? स्टार रिप्रेजेंट करता है अ स्टेडी पॉइंट ऑफ रेफरेंस और आइडियल. Which poem features a bird and a decaying pile of logs? It is in the wood pile. कौन सा insect है whose mistakes are compared to human error? That is the white-tailed hornet. In The Lone Striker, why does the man walk in the woods? Because he was late and he was locked out of the mill. Which New Hampshire town was his golden age setting? That was Derry. Who is the mythical wife? Paul Bunyan की कौन mythical wife है in the Frost poem? That is Paul's wife. Which other major American poet is often compared to Frost? Frost को generally किससे compare किया जाता है? Frost को generally Walt Whitman से compare किया जाता है. Let's move to Emily Dickinson. What is Emily Dickinson's full name? That is Emily Elizabeth Dickinson. कौन से टाउन में कौन सी स्टेट में वो पैदा हुई? दैट इज एमहर्स्ट मैसाचुसेट्स. डेट ऑफ बर्थ दैट इज 10th December 1830. उनका मोस्ट फेमस निकनेम क्या है? दैट उनको द बेल ऑफ एमहर्स्ट बोला जाता है. What was her father's name and profession? So father का नाम है Edward Dickinson and he was a lawyer and a treasurer at Amherst College. So where did she go for the higher education? लेकिन उन्होंने एक साल बाद ही छोड़ दिया था. That was Mount Holyoke फीमेल सेमिनरी. क्यों छोड़ा था? क्योंकि उनको रिलीजियस एटमॉस्फेयर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट लग रहा था एंड शी रिफ्यूज टू डिक्लेयर हर फेथ. कौन सा कलर वो एक्सक्लूसिवली अपने लेटर ईयर्स में पहनती थी? दैट शी ऑलवेज यूज टू वियर व्हाइट. कितने सिबलिंग्स थे उनके? दो सिबलिंग्स, ऑस्टिन एल्डर ब्रदर एंड लाविनिया यंगर सिस्टर. नेम ऑफ द फैमिली हाउस जहां पे उन्होंने अपना पूरा लाइफ बिताया है? दैट इज होमस्टेड. Who was her sister-in-law and a closest female friend? तो उनकी sister-in-law और उनकी friend भी थी. That was Susan Huntington Gilbert. What was the three famous mysterious letters who she wrote called? उनके तीन mysterious letters जो है जो mysterious letters है उनको किस नाम से बुलाया जाता है? They are called the master letters. Who was her literary mentor और उनके preceptor कौन थे? That was Thomas Wentworth Higginson. कितनी पोम्स पब्लिश हुई थी टिल द टाइम जब तक वो जिंदा थी? दैट वाज अराउंड 10 to 12. उनकी पोम्स पहले एनोनिमसली क्यों पब्लिश हुई थी? क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहती थी, उनका ये मानना था कि उनकी एक प्रिवेसी है, उसको वो पसंद करती हैं और पब्लिकेशन की बोली नहीं लगानी होती है, उनको ऑक्शन नहीं करना होता है, तो मुझे अपना नाम नहीं देना है. व्हेन डिड शी डाई? शी डाइड इन 1886. डेथ का रीजन क्या था? ब्राइट्स डिजीज बोला जाता है, विच मीन्स किडनीज फेलियर. What were her famous final words? फाइनल वर्ड्स ये थे कि उन्होंने बोला था द फॉग इज राइजिंग. उनकी पोम्स जो आज हम पोम्स पढ़ते हैं वो 10-12 तो नहीं है. तो वो पोम एक लॉक्ड चेस्ट में, एक संदूक में बंद थी. वो किसने डिस्कवर की थी? वो उनकी सिस्टर, यंगर सिस्टर लवीनिया ने की थी, जिसको हम विनी बोलते हैं. व्हाट आर फैसिकल्स? फैसिकल्स आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हाथ से बुने हुए बुकलेट्स थे जो एमिली ने खुद बनाए थे. वो ही उस क्लोज्ड चेस्ट में, लॉक्ड चेस्ट में उनको मिले थे. कौन सा फेमस पंक्चुएशन मार्क है जो उनकी पोएट्री में आपको दिखेगा ही दिखेगा? वो है डैशेस. वो डैशेस क्यों यूज करती थी? सो दैट पॉज मिले, थॉट में शिफ्ट आए और म्यूजिकल बीट के साथ वो मैच करे. व्हाट इज अनकन्वेंशनल कैपिटलाइजेशन? सी उनका हैबिट था कि वो कॉमन नाउन को भी कैपिटलाइज कर देती थी. तो वो क्यों करती थी? जस्ट फॉर द एम्फेसिस. व्हाट इज स्लैंट राइम? स्लैंट राइम क्या होता है? एक इनपरफेक्ट राइम होता है जो राइम दिखता है लेकिन राइम होता नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गेट एंड मैट. storm, and room. Which meter did she use for almost all her poem? उन्हें common meter use किया which is known as 8686 the high meter. Which book of song influenced her meter? कौन सी book से she was influenced? उनका meter किससे influence है? That is Isaac Watts Psalms and Hymns. Did she give title to her poems? उनकी poems को उन्होंने title ही नहीं दिए थे, basically publish ही नहीं किए थे उन्होंने, तो हम जितनी भी उनकी poems पढ़ते हैं वो उनके poems की first line होती है. How many poems did she write in total? Approximately 1800 बोला जाता है, approximately 1789. What did she mean by tell all the truth but tell it slant? That means truth को share तो करना है लेकिन indirectly करना है, क्योंकि truth जो है वो बहुत powerful होता है, उसको directly हम face नहीं कर सकते. What is aphoristic style? एक ऐसा स्टाइल जो शॉर्ट हो, पिथी हो, लेकिन उसमें फुल ऑफ विजडम हो. व्हाट इज सिंथेसिया इन हिज वर्क? सिंथेसिया मींस एक सेंस समझाना है दूसरे को यूज करके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियरिंग अ ब्लू बस. हु पब्लिश द फर्स्ट एडिशन ऑफ हर पोम्स इन 1890? ऐसे हमने पढ़ा कि उन्होंने बुक्स पब्लिश नहीं करी थी, बाद में उनकी सिस्टर ने ढूंढी थी, तो उसको पब्लिश किसने किया था? उसको पब्लिश किया था मेबल लूमिस टॉड एंड T.W. हिगिंसन. उनकी पोम के एडिटर कौन थे? उन्होंने क्या किया था? उनकी पोम ने एडिटर ने, अभी हमने पढ़ा वो बहुत सारे डैशेस यूज करती थी, उन्होंने वो डैशेस ही हटा दिए और राइम को चेंज कर दिया सो दैट वो थोड़ा प्रॉपर साउंड करे. हु पब्लिश द डेफिनेटिव कलेक्शन ऑफ हर पोम इन 1955? वो किसने किया था? वो थॉमस एच जॉनसन ने किए थे. व्हाट इज डिकिंसोनियन पोएट्री? डिकिंसोनियन पोएट्री ऐसी होती है जो शॉर्ट होती है, कंप्रेस्ड होती है, लेकिन इंटेंसिवली साइकोलॉजिकल होती है, फुल ऑफ विजडम होती है. विच पोम कंपेयर्स होप टू अ बर्ड? और उस पोम का नाम क्या है? होप इज द थिंग विद फेदर्स. सारे ही नाम मेजोरिटी आपको ऐसे मिलेंगे बिकॉज वो उनकी फर्स्ट लाइन से लिए गए हैं. और वो होप कहाँ पे पर्च करती है? इन द सोल. इन द पोम बिकॉज आई कुडंट स्टॉप फॉर डेथ, हु इज द ड्राइवर ऑफ द कैरियज? कैरियज को कौन चला रहा है? डेथ ही चला रहा है. Who is the third passenger in the death carriage? Immortality. डेथ को कैसे पोर्ट्रे किया गया है? डेथ को मॉन्स्टर की तरह पोर्ट्रे नहीं किया गया, रादर उसको एक काइंड जेंटलमैन दिखाया गया कि लोगों को आराम से बुलाता है वो. इन आई हर्ड अ फ्लाई बज, व्हेन डज द फ्लाई अपीयर? फ्लाई कब आता है? एग्जैक्टली एट द मोमेंट ऑफ डेथ. यहाँ पे फ्लाई क्या सिंबलाइज करता है? द ट्रिवियल फिजिकल साइट ऑफ डेथ विच कम्स एंड इंटरप्ट्स द स्पिरिचुअल पीस. बड़ी फेमस लाइन है उनकी बोली हुई, सक्सेस इज काउंटेड स्वीटेस्ट बाय दोज हु नेवर सक्सीड. हु इज द पर्पल होस्ट इन हर पोम्स अबाउट हर सक्सेस? कौन है वो पर्पल होस्ट? दैट इज द विक्टोरियस आर्मी. इन मेंडिंग वॉल्स, okay, this is repeated. The soul selects her own society. In a narrow fellow in the grass, what is narrow fellow here? यहाँ पे narrow fellow कौन है? एक snake है. What is a certain slant of light associated with? ये certain slant of light क्या है? ये winter की afternoons है. Much madness is divinant sense. What is the message of I am nobody, who are you? क्या message है इसका? That that is about being private. A nobody is better than becoming a public frog. In wild nights, what is a setting? It is a metaphorical storm at sea. My life had stood. A loaded gun describes what? It describes the explosive power of poet's mind or poet's anger. Loaded gun means fully loaded. What does she compare a house that is swelling on the ground, which that means a grave? In I dwell in possibility. Possibility क्या है? It is a metaphor for poetry. What is taught by thirst? That is water. Parting is all we know of heaven and all we know of hell. सी ये fill in the blanks इसलिए दिए गए क्योंकि majority इनके works जो है वो first line से लिए गए हैं और first line इसी तरीके से complete होती है. In the brain is wider than sky. Why is the brain wider? Because it can contain or it can imagine the complete sky. दिस इज माई लेटर टू द वर्ल्ड। यहाँ पे ये लेटर्स क्या है? इट इज हर ओन पोएट्री। What is the gown in her carriage poem made of? किससे बना हुआ है? एक पतली सी सिल्क से बना हुआ है, which is gossamer. In a bird came down the walk. How does the bird fly away like oars dividing the ocean? There is no frigate like a book. Which philosopher's ideas on nature influenced her? कौन से philosopher की idea है about the nature that influenced her? That is Ralph Waldo Emerson. Is she considered a romantic poet or she's a modernist poet? So she is basically a 19th century lyrical poet, but she is a precursor of modernism. What is renunciation in her life? उनकी लाइफ में renunciation क्या है? हर चॉइस कि उन्हें सोशल लाइफ गिव अप करनी थी और खुद सिर्फ अपनी ही आर्ट पे फोकस करना था। उनके फादर का रोल क्या था कॉलेज में? ही वॉज अ ट्रेजरर। Why did she call Higginson her preceptor? Higginson को अपना preceptor क्यों बोला है? Because वो चाहती थी कि वो उनके वर्क को जज करे और बताए कि उनकी पोएम जिंदा भी है कि नहीं है। What does she call the auction of the mind? किसको बोला है उन्होंने कि दिमाग का ऑक्शन लगाना? उनको उन्होंने बोला है पब्लिकेशन को। जो पब्लिश करते हैं वर्क, इसका मतलब अपने माइंड का ऑक्शन करते हैं। How does she describe the train in I like to see it lap the miles? उन्होंने ट्रेन को कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया? एज आयरन हॉर्स। If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in what? Vain. What is she drinking in I taste liquor never brewed? तो वो क्या ड्रिंक कर रही है? She is drinking the air and the dew of nature. What is a formal feeling in her poetry? उनकी poetry में formal feeling क्या है? That is a cold, numb feeling, which then follows great pain. First chill, then stupor, and then the letting go. What is the majority in her madness poem? क्या होता है मेजोरिटी में? वो सोसाइटी होती है who decides whether who is sane or who is insane. Who are heavenly hurt means? What does heavenly hurt means? Heavenly hurt means a spiritual pain जिसका कोई स्कार नहीं होता, लेकिन वो इंसान को पूरी की पूरी तरीके से अंदर से बदल देता है। How does the snake move in the poem? Snake कैसे मूव करता है? It moves like a comb dividing the grass. What is the bog in her nobody poem? बॉग क्या है? बॉग इज पब्लिक लाइफ और सोसाइटी। हु इज द मास्टर शी रोट टू? किसको लिखा है उन्होंने? मिस्टीरियस कैरेक्टर है, पॉसिबली कुछ क्रिटिक्स का कहना है वो सैमुअल बॉल्स है, और इट्स अ फिक्शनल म्यूज। व्हाट इज अ कॉर्नाइस इन द ग्राउंड? दैट इज अ रूफ और अ टॉप ऑफ अ ग्रेव। हाई मीटर क्या है? जो मैंने आपको बताया था, बड़ा कॉमन मीटर है जो उनकी मेजोरिटी पोएट्रीज में मिलेगा, विच इज 8686। सो ऑल्टरनेट सिलेबस चलते हैं 8686। How many of her poems were found in her desk? कितनी poems मिली? 1798, around 1800. What is the blue uncertain stumbling buzz? That is actually the sound of a fly at the time of death. Let's move to Langston Hughes. What was the full name of the poet? Full name उनका है James Mercer Langston Hughes. In which city or the state he was born? So he was born in Joplin in Missouri. उनका फेमस निक नेम क्या है कि उनको पोएट लॉरिएट ऑफ हार्लेम बोला जाता है? द डेट व्हेन ही वाज बोर्न इन फेब्रुअरी ऑन February 1, 1901। मेजर कल्चरल मूवमेंट जिनसे वो एसोसिएटेड हैं, दैट इज द हार्लेम रेनेसांस इन 1920, इसीलिए उनको पोएट लॉरिएट ऑफ हार्लेम भी बोला जाता है। वेयर डिड ही अटेंड यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर 1 ईयर? जब वो ट्रैवल करने वाले थे उससे पहले उन्होंने 1 साल तक कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में रहे हैं? ही वाज देयर इन कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी। From which historically black university did he eventually graduate? फिर finally वो किससे graduate होते हैं 1929 में? From Lincoln University. What was his father's name? His father's name is James Nathaniel Hughes, who moved to Mexico just to escape racism. मदर का नाम क्या है? कैरी लैंगस्टन, जो कि एक टीचर और एक पोएट थी। हु रेज्ड हिम ड्यूरिंग हिज अर्ली इयर्स? तो किन किन लोगों ने उनको रेज किया, उनकी देखभाल की, उनको परवरिश दिया? एंड टोल्ड हिम द स्टोरीज अबाउट द एबॉलिशमेंट मूवमेंट, उनकी ग्रैंड मदर ने, जिनका नाम है मैरी लैंगस्टन। What were some of the odd jobs जो उन्होंने करी while he was traveling the world? तो वो sailor बने, then he was a cook, then he was a bus boy. What was he famously called after he was discovered by a critic while working in a hotel? उनको क्या बोला गया? The bus boy poet. Who was the famous poet or critic जिन्होंने actually उनको discover किया था in Washington DC? That was Vachel Lindsay. Which famous 1926 essay served as a manifesto of young black artist? That उसमें उसका नाम क्या था essay का? The Negro Artist and the Racial Mountain. उनका primary goal क्या था जब वो poetry लिख रहे थे? That was to capture the low down folks and the real life of black Americans. When did he die? He died in 1967. What was the cause of his death? क्यों मरे थे? Because उनको prostate cancer था. Where are his ashes interred? So his ashes are under a medallion in Sockenburg Center for Research in Black Culture in Harlem. Did he ever marry? No, ये एक ऐसे राइटर पोएट हैं जो पूरा लाइफ बैचलर रहे। उनकी उनकी फर्स्ट ऑटोबायोग्राफी का टाइटल क्या है? दैट इज द बिग सी। What is jazz poetry actually? Jazz poetry इनसे relate की जाती है. It's a style of poetry that mimics the rhythm and the improvisational feel of jazz and blues music. इनकी फर्स्ट कलेक्शन ऑफ पोएट्री जो 1926 में आई थी उसका टाइटल क्या था? दैट वाज द वियरी ब्लूज। सेकेंड मोस्ट कंट्रोवर्शियल कलेक्शन कौन सी आई थी? दैट वाज फाइन क्लोथ्स ऑफ द ज्यू। एंड इसको जो है वो कंट्रोवर्शियल क्यों बोला जाता है, उसको ब्लैक्स ने क्रिटिक्स क्यों किया था? बिकॉज दे फेल्ट इट शोज द अनरिफाइंड साइड ऑफ ब्लैक लाइफ टू रियलिस्टिकली। कुछ ज्यादा ही उन्होंने सच्चाई से दिखा दिया था। Which musical form did he adapt into his poetic structure? कौन सी musical form उन्होंने adapt की थी? That is 12 bar blues. What is the typical AAB rhyme scheme in blues poetry? कि first line is stated, second is repeated, and in third it is resolved. Which language did he use in the poetry? वो vernacular language use करते हैं, हर everyday dialect use करते हैं of ordinary black people. हाउ मेनी ऑटोबायोग्राफीज डिड ही राइट? उन्होंने दो लिखी है, एक हमने ऊपर पढ़ी थी द बिग सी, और दूसरी है आई वंडर एज आई वंडर। व्हाट इज द प्रोटेस्ट पोएट्री? प्रोटेस्ट पोएट्री क्या होती है? जहां पे आप सोशल इनजस्टिस को हाईलाइट करते हैं और आप डिमांड करते हैं कि उसमें चेंजेस आने चाहिए। व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ हिज फेमस फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर जो कि उनके न्यूज़पेपर कॉलम में आया था? दैट वाज जेसी बी सिंपल, जिसको निक नेम बोला जाता था सिंपल। उस स्टोरीज का पर्पस क्या था? उस स्टोरी का पर्पस था टू डिस्कस सीरियस रेशियल इश्यूज थ्रू ह्यूमर एंड कॉमन सेंस। In 1951, which book length poem is considered his masterpiece of urban life, that is montage of a dream deferred? यहाँ पे ड्रीम डेफर्ड क्या है? It is a central theme of his work. जहाँ पे we are talking about the delayed justice and equality of black Americans. So उनको justice और equality बहुत delayed मिलते हैं. What literary device is most prominent in the Negro Speaks of River? Allusion. Allusion क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें historical rivers की बात हुई है, like Nile, Congo, Mississippi. What was his attitude towards the art for art's sake? वो उसको reject करते थे because उनका art for art's sake ideology नहीं था, उनका था art for people's sake. Which poem did he write on the back of the envelope while crossing the Mississippi at the age of 17? तो कौन सी लिखी थी उन्होंने पोम? दैट इज द नीग्रो स्पीक्स ऑफ रिवर। टू whom was the Negro Speaks of River dedicated? किसको डेडिकेट की थी उन्होंने? W.E.B. Du Bois को। My soul has grown up deep like the rivers. कौन सी पोम है which is a direct response to Walt Whitman I hear America singing? तो क्या रिस्पॉन्स था? उन्होंने लिखा था I too. In I too poem, where is the speaker sent when company comes? उसको कहाँ भेज दिया जाता है? To the kitchen. What is the speaker prediction in I too? That वो बोलता है tomorrow I'll be at the table. In the poem Mother to Son, what does the mother says? Life are not has not been. Life क्या नहीं थी? Life was not a crystal stair. What are the tacks and splinters metaphor for in Mother to Son? So it is hardship and struggles in life. What is the famous first line जो हार्लेम में आई है? That is what happened to the deferred dream deferred. 5 मेटाफर आपको बताने हैं जो ड्रीम डेफर्ड के हार्लेम में दिखाए गए हैं. One is raising in the sun, second is a sore, third is rotten meat, fourth is a syrupy sweet, and last is a heavy load. हार्लेम पोम एंड कैसे होती है? वो क्वेश्चन से एंड होती है that or does it explode? Which poem describes a piano player in Harlem bar? That is the Weary Blues. Weary Blues में musicians क्या कर रहे हैं? They are swaying to and fro on a rickety stool. Let America be America again. इसमें क्या contradiction है? That America कभी अमेरिका था ही नहीं for all the poor and the oppressed. In theme of English B, what is the assignment given to the speaker? को क्या assignment दिया गया? To write a page that comes out of himself. What is the speaker's realization in theme of English B? क्या realize होता है? That he and his white instructors are just part of each other. Which poem encourages a child to keep their aspirations alive? That is dreams. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a dash. So life is a broken winged bird. In the South, how does he describe the reason? So he described the reason as sunny faced girl with a cruel heart. कौन सी poem है which focuses on the labor of black people throughout his history? That is the Negro Mother. Po Boy Blues कौन से फॉर्मेट में लिखा गया है? वो स्टैंडर्ड ब्लू स्टैंजेस में लिखा गया है. In Cross, the speaker discusses mixed heritage. दो रेसेस के बीच का मिक्स्ड हेरिटेज. कौन सी रेसेस के बीच में? The whites and the black. कौन सी poem है which describes the beauty of the black skin using the metaphor of night, that is dream variations? To fling my arms wide in some places of the sun. ये कौन सी पोम से लिया गया है? ड्रीम्स वेरिएशन से. मैरी गो राउंड uses a carnival ride. It symbolizes what? It symbolizes the segregation, Jim Crow laws. रेशियल प्राइड क्या होता है? एक रिकरिंग थीम है जो यूज के वर्क में आपको मिलेगी. वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं द ब्यूटी एंड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द ब्लैक आइडेंटिटी. What is his relationship with the talented 10th idea of W.E.B. Du Bois? He respected Du Bois, but वो फिर भी किसके लिए लिखना प्रेफर करते थे? For the low down masses. What is the racial mountain in his essay? Racial mountain क्या है? Desire है black artist की to be the white or to please white audience. What role did he play in the Spanish Civil War? क्या role play करता है? That he was a war correspondent. Which radical political ideology was he accused? Of the following during the Red Scare, क्या political ideology के लिए accuse किया गया था? Communism के लिए, जबकि उन्होंने कोई पार्टी को officially join किया ही नहीं था. Before which committee was he forced to testify in 1953? कौन सी कमिटी से पहले उन्हें testify करना था? That was the McCarthy Committee. Senator Joseph McCarthy. What is blues aesthetic? Blues aesthetic क्या होते हैं? तरीके ढूंढने to laugh and to keep going despite जितना भी पेन आपकी लाइफ में हो. What was the title of his only novel? क्या टाइटल है उनका? एक ही नॉवल है, उसका टाइटल क्या है? Not Without Laughter, which came in 1930. How does he describe Harlem in his writing? Harlem उन्होंने बोला है एक city within a city. It is a center of intellectual energies. What was his contribution to children's literature? Children's literature का उनका क्या contribution था? He wrote the first book of Negroes and the first book of jazz. Which famous play by Lorraine Hansberry takes his title from huge poem? So कौन सा play है? That is The Raising in the Sun. What was the name of the magazine जिसने actually helped start with Wallace Thurman and Zora Neale Hurston? That is Fire. Fire magazine fail क्यों हो गई? After only one issue because the fire destroyed the office and it was criticized by old black leaders. In used poetry, what do river symbolizes? River का इतना importance है, river क्या symbolize करता है? That symbolizes the long, continuous history of human race. What is the tone of mother to son? उसकी tone क्या है? That is encouraging, resilient and tough. What does he use irony? कौन सी irony उन्होंने कैसे उन्होंने use करी? How does he use irony in I too? उन्होंने show किया by showing that the very people जो kitchen में रहते हैं, जो kitchen में ही झुलसे रहते हैं, they are the most Americans. What is the significance of Mississippi River in his work? Mississippi River दिखाती है the history of slavery and lynching in the US. Urban realism क्या है? उनका focus था on the gritty and the real life condition of the cities like Harlem and Chicago. How does his poetry differ from the county Cullen? Cullen basically अपना traditional English forms use करते हैं like Keats, जबकि Youth use करते हैं jazz and blues form. What did he call the young generation of black writers? उन्होंने क्या बोला था उनको? The new Negro writers. Let's move to Arthur Miller now. What is the full name of the playwright Arthur Miller? The full name is Arthur Asher Miller. कहाँ पे पैदा हुए? He was born in New York City, Harlem, Manhattan. Date of birth 17th October 1915. मेजर हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट जिन्होंने उनके फादर के क्लोजिंग बिजनेस को पूरी तरीके से रूइन कर दिया था एंड इट शेप्ड मिलर्स वर्ल्ड व्यू दैट इज द ग्रेट डिप्रेशन दैट केम इन 1929. कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी उन्होंने अटेंड करी बाय पेइंग हिज ओन वे वर्किंग इन अ वेयर हाउस? दैट इज द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मिचिगन. व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट प्ले टू बी प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन ब्रॉडवे ऑल्दो वो फेल हो गया था? दैट वाज द मैन हु हैड ऑल द लक. 1947 में कौन सा प्ले था which was a major success? That was All My Sons. Who was his most famous second wife, the Hollywood icon that is Marilyn Monroe? कौन सी फिल्म था जिसमें उन्होंने स्टार किया था? The starring of Marilyn Monroe. Did Miller write the screenplay? तो उन्होंने लिखा था The Misfits के लिए. कौन सी फेमस कमिटी थी? Did he refuse कि मैं उनके साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं करूंगा? Within 1956, that was the House Un-American Activities Committee, that is HUAC. What was he called before HUAC? क्यों बुलाया गया था? Because he was suspected कि उनके communist sympathies हैं. Why did he refuse to do during HUAC hearing? He refused to name names. उन्होंने नाम लेने से मना कर दिया था. Of all the other writers जिन्होंने communist meeting attend की थी. What was the legal sequence to his refusal? जो भी उन्होंने refusal किया उसका फिर क्या हुआ? That he was convicted to contempt of Congress. Later जबकि वो overturned हो गया था. Which play did he write as a direct allegory, a metaphor for the McCarthy witch hunts? तो उन्होंने कौन सा play लिखा? That is The Crucible. कौन से year में did he die? That was 2005. Title क्या है उनकी famous autobiography का? That is Tim Ben's Alive. Which prestigious award did he win for Death of Salesman? उनको Pulitzer Prize मिला था for Death of Salesman in 1949. How many Tony Awards उनको मिले हैं? उनको बहुत सारे Tony Awards मिले हैं. उनको Lifetime Achievement Award भी मिला है in 1999. What was his father's occupation? उनके father का occupation थे वो he was a garment manufacturer, he was a shop owner. What is Miller's status in American literature? He is known as a moral conscience of American stage. What is the title of Miller's famous 1949 essay on drama? So उसका टाइटल क्या है? The title is Tragedy and the Common Man. What was his main argument in the essay? Essay में main argument क्या था? कि common man is just capable. उतने ही capable हैं जितना कोई king या कोई noble capable होता है. According to Miller, what is the tragic flaw of a common man? एक common man का tragic flaw क्या है? His refusal to remain passive in the face of challenge to his dignity. कि वो उनकी जब dignity को challenge होता है तभी वो passive ही रहते हैं. What does the Miller believe triggers a tragedy? A character's attempt to gain his rightful place in the world. What is the American dream in Miller's play? American dream क्या है Miller's के play में? It's a deceptive promise of success that often leads to moral and physical ruin. कौन से क्लासिकल ग्रीक प्लेराइट हैं जिन्होंने मिलर के स्ट्रक्चर को इन्फ्लुएंस करा है? दैट इज सोफोकल्स. Which modern playwright influenced his social realism? That is Henrik Ibsen. Expressionism expressionism क्या है उनके वर्क में? दैट इज द यूज ऑफ लाइटिंग. स्टेज का यूज करना, लाइटिंग का यूज करना, डिजाइन का यूज करना ताकि कैरेक्टर के इंटरनल थॉट्स को दिखा सके, स्पेशली इन द वर्क ऑफ डेथ ऑफ अ सेल्समैन. What is the conflict between individual and society in his plays? क्या कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है? That there's a struggle to maintain personal integrity, जबकि क्या फॉलो करने हैं उनको while following the social rules. What is domestic tragedy? Domestic tragedy क्या है? It's a tragedy जो कि फैमिली लाइफ पे सेंटर करती है rather than the national and royal affairs. प्रोटोगोनिस्ट कौन है डेथ ऑफ अ सेल्समैन के? दैट इज विली लोमेन. विली लोमेन का प्रोफेशन क्या है? वो एक ट्रैवलिंग सेल्समैन है. विली का ट्रैजिक फ्लॉ क्या है? कि उसका ब्लाइंड फेथ होता है अमेरिकन ड्रीम में एंड बीइंग वेल लाइक्ड. ओरिजिनल टाइटल क्या है दैट मिलर प्लान फॉर द प्ले? द ओरिजिनल टाइटल प्रीवियसली इट वाज द इनसाइड ऑफ हिज हेड. हु इज विलीज लॉयल एंड लॉन्ग सफरिंग वाइफ? दैट इज लिंडा लोमेन. उनके दो बच्चों के नाम क्या है? दैट इज बिफ एंड हैप्पी लोमेन. मेन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्या है विली और ब्लिफ के बीच में? कि ब्लिफ नोज विली इज अ फेक पर्सन because he caught him having an affair in Boston. What does Bliff steal from Bill Oliver's office? क्या चुराता है? वो एक फाउंटेन पेन चुराता है. Who is the character who represents Willie's successful brother? That is Uncle Ben. Ben Johnson की कौन सी फेमस लाइन है? That is I walked into the jungle at 21 I came out and by God I was rich. Who is Charlie? Charlie is Willie's neighbor और उनके he's the only true friend who lends him money also. What is Bernard? Who is Bernard? Bernard is Charlie's son जो सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं and he is the opposite of Bliff. What is the rubber house a symbol of? Rubber house किसका symbol है? Rubber house is a symbol of Willie's repetitive attempt at suicide by inhaling gas. What are the seeds a symbol of at the end of the play? Seeds किसका symbol है? It is Willie's desperate desire to leave something behind. कुछ तो ऐसा पीछे छोड़ जाऊं जो कि grow करे and it will last for long. How does Willie Loman die? वो मरते कैसे हैं? He crashes his car to provide insurance money for Biff. Title of the final scene of the play क्या है? That is Requiem. लिंडा की कौन सी famous line है regarding Willie's worth? Attention, attention must be finally paid to such a person. In which city does the play take place? कौन सी city में ये पूरा play हो रहा है? That is Brooklyn, New York. What is the significance of flute music? Flute music का significance क्या है? कि वो विली के फादर को represent करते हैं and a lost simpler past. What does the happy Loman represent at the end of the play? Happy Loman क्या दिखाता है? He continues his father delusions and the cycle of American dream. उसके father जो delusion जो उसमें रहते थे, same में happy Loman भी रहता है. What is the setting of the Crucible? Crucible work जो है उसकी setting क्या है? That is Samuel, Massachusetts in 1692. मेन प्रोटोगोनिस्ट कौन है उसके? दैट इज जॉन प्रॉक्टर. Who is the main antagonist who actually starts the accusations? That is Abigail Williams. Relationship क्या है जॉन प्रॉक्टर और एबिगेल के बीच में? That they had a very brief and a sinful affair. Who is John Proctor's wife? John Proctor's की wife कौन है? That is Elizabeth Proctor. What is crucible a metaphor for? Crucible किसके लिए metaphor है? It's a severe test or a trial. Also a container used to melt metal at a high heat. Who is the judge in charge of a trial? कौन बनता है judge? That is Deputy Governor Danforth. Who is the expert on witchcraft? Who eventually regrets his role? That is Reverend John Hale. What does the John Proctor refuse to do at the end of the work? क्या refuse करते हैं? He refused to sign his name to a false confession. Proctor की famous line क्या है about his name? Because it is my name. Because I cannot have another in my life. What is Titu? Who is Tituba? Tituba कौन है? वो एक slave है from the Barbados who is the first to be accused of conjuring spirits. Who is Rebecca Nurse? Rebecca Nurse कौन है? The saintly old woman who is executed for refusing. उनको सिर्फ इसलिए execute करा जाता है because she refused to confess to witchcraft. What is McCarthyism? McCarthyism क्या होता है? ये एक 1950 का मूवमेंट है जहाँ पे लोगों को अक्यूज किया जाता है कि वो कम्युनिस्ट है बिना किसी एविडेंस के बिना किसी प्रूफ के. Concept, why is the play called an allegory? इसको allegory क्यों बोला गया है? Because it uses the Salem witch trials to criticize the anti-communist trials of the 1950s. Theocracy क्या है? Salem में a government where the church and the states are the same. What is the conflict in All My Sons? All My Sons जो work है उसमें क्या conflict चल रही है? Joe Keller sells faulty airplane parts during World War II. जिससे it led to the death of pilots, including his own sons. Who is Chris Keller? Chris Keller कौन है? जो का बेटा है, who demands that his father takes moral responsibility. What is the setting of A View from the Bridge? क्या setting है? वो Red Hook पे है, Brooklyn. It's an Italian American neighborhood. Protagonist क्या है? कौन है? A View from the Bridge के, that is Eddie Carbone. एडी कॉर्बन का ऑब्सेशन क्या है? ही इज इम्प्रॉपर सप्रेस हिज इम्प्रॉपर एंड सप्रेस्ड लव. किसके लिए? अपनी नीस के लिए जिसका नाम है कैथरीन. हु इज एल्फेरी? एल्फेरी कौन है? वो एक लॉयर है जो बेसिकली कोरस का काम कर रहे हैं. हु इज एक्टिंग एज कोरस इन अ व्यू फ्रॉम द ब्रिज. What is the theme of The Prince in 1968? Theme of The Prince क्या है? The cost of decision made in the past and family's loyalty. कौन सा प्ले है which deals with Miller marriage with Marilyn Monroe, that is After the Fall. Who is the protagonist? What is the protagonist's name in After the Fall? क्या है protagonist का नाम? That is Quentin. Which play is set during Great Depression in New York warehouse? That is A Memory of Two Mondays. What is the title of his 1994 play, which is about a woman who becomes paralyzed after seeing news of the Holocaust? That is Broken Glass. कौन सा play है that was written in 1980? TV movie about women's orchestra in Auschwitz, that is Playing of the Time. The Last Yankee के protagonist कौन है? That is Leroy Hamilton. Social responsibility क्या होता है? It's a major theme जो आपको मिलर के ऑलमोस्ट सभी प्लेज में मिलेगी. It's the idea that we are responsible for our fellow men. How does Miller treat the father-son relationship? जनरली वो उनके प्लेज में सेंट्रल होता है. उसमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होती है, बिट्रेयल होता है, जैसे कि आप विली और बिफ में देखेंगे, जो और क्रिस में देखेंगे. लेट्स मूव टू अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे. व्हाट इज द फुल नेम ऑफ ऑथर? द ऑथर्स फुल नेम इज अर्नेस्ट मिलर हेमिंगवे. कहाँ पैदा हुए? ही वाज बोर्न इन ओक पार्क, इलोनियस. डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है? 21 जुलाई 1899. Which famous American writer gave the Lost Generation its name? That is Gertrude Stein. हेमिंगवे का रोल क्या था वर्ल्ड वॉर वन में? वो एक एम्बुलेंस ड्राइवर थे फ्रॉम द रेड क्रॉस फॉर द रेड क्रॉस इन इटली. कौन सी सिटी में डिड ही वर्क एज अ फॉरेन कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट इन 1920s? पेरिस, फ्रांस. कौन से न्यूज़पेपर के उन्होंने डिड ही राइट फॉर इन कांसास सिटी that shapes his style of writing, that is the Kansas City Star. Who were his famous literary contemporaries in Paris? कौन थे उनके contemporaries? F. Scott Fitzgerald, Ezra Pound and James Joyce. How many times did he marry? उन्होंने 4 बार शादी करी है. Hedley Richardson, Pauline, Martha and Mary. Which major war did he cover as a journalist? उन्होंने कौन सी war को cover किया था as a journalist? That was the Spanish Civil War. What were his primary outdoor hobbies that appear in his books? कौन सी hobbies दिखाई गई है, portray हुई है? That is bullfighting, big game hunting, deep sea fishing. In which African country did he survive two successive plane crashes? So he survived two plane crashes in Uganda. Unki famous, where was his famous home located in Caribbean, that is Finca Vigia in Cuba? In which Florida city is his home? Now a famous museum. अब वो famous museum है जो उनका घर था, that is in Key West. What prestigious award did he won in 1954? उन्हें क्या मिला था? Nobel Prize मिला था. For which book उनको Pulitzer Prize मिला 1953 में? Old Man and the Sea के लिए. What was his cause of the death? उन्होंने suicide किया था by the gunshot at his home in Ketchum, Ladao. What was his father's profession? उनके father क्या थे? एक physician थे, एक doctor थे, who also loved the outdoors. What is the title of the posthumous memoir about Paris? जो posthumous एक memoir है Paris में, उसका title क्या है? That is the movable feast. What is Hemingway hero and a code hero? एक ऐसा आदमी who shows the grace under pressure, who follows a strict code of honor and endurance. What is iceberg theory? Iceberg theory क्या है? It's the idea that only 1/8 of the story. So 1/8 of the story is on the surface of the text. जबकि 7/8 of the story यानी the main meaning of the story is underwater. तो जो दिखता है वो सिर्फ 1/8 है. बाकी 7/8 जो है that is the meaning which is underwater. What are the characteristics of his prose? That they are short sentences, they have short sentences, they have simple vocabulary and lack of adjectives. What is omitting in his style? Omitting क्या है? वो generally क्या करते थे? Purposely वो कुछ details को छोड़ देते थे. Why? To make the readers feel the emotion more intensely. What is Hemingway stance? Hemingway stance क्या होता है? That is stoicism. The facing life hardship without complaining. Life में जितनी hardships है उनको face करे without complaining. How does he treat nature? Nature को उन्होंने कैसे treat किया है? It is a place. Nature क्या है? एक ऐसा place है जिसमें extreme beauty भी है और violent struggle भी है. What is the lost generation theme? Lost generation की theme क्या है? It's a sense of disillusionment and aimlessness after World War One. What is nada in his philosophy? उनकी philosophy में nada क्या है? It is a belief in nothingness or a void which a hero must fight through actions. So उनका writing style क्या था? Does he prefer complex or simple sentences? So he always preferred simple and declarative sentences, assertive sentences. What is his motto regarding the writer's duty? क्या motto है? That all you have to do is to write one's true sentence. What is Hemingway code? Hemingway का code क्या है? That is courage, endurance, and dignity in a losing battle. Who is a protagonist? Santiago, an old Cuban fisherman. What is the name of a young boy जो Santiago को help करते हैं? That is Manolin. Johnson collaborated with which famous architect for the coat mask? That is Inigo Jones. For how many days has Santiago gone without catching a fish? कितने टाइम से उसने fish catch नहीं किया? That was 84 days. He is a sallow, the worst form of unlucky. कौन से kind of fish does the Santiago hook? A giant marlin. Where does the story take place? Story कहाँ पे हुई है? That is the Gulf Stream off the coast of Cuba. उसका सेंटियागो का favorite baseball hero कौन है? That is Joe DiMaggio, who played with the bone spur. What does the line on the beach symbolize in Santiago dream? His lost youth and his strength. Marlin को क्या होता है after Santiago kills it? What happens to Marlin जब Santiago kills it? It is eaten by sharks as he rows back to the shore. What is the famous line about the defeat in his book? That a man can be destroyed but can never be defeated. How long is the Marlin? Marlin की length क्या है? That is 18 feet. What does Santiago call the sea? Sea को वो क्या बोलता है? La Mar बोलता है. That is the feminine name, which is used by those who love her. Marlin किसको represent करती है? Marlin represent करता है noble brother, opponent, and the beauty of nature. Why does the boy's parent forbid him? उसको शॉपिंग के लिए क्यों और फिशिंग के लिए क्यों forbid करते हैं with Santiago? They think that Santiago is unlucky. You should not go with Santiago. What is the outcome of the battle? Battle का outcome क्या होता है? That Santiago actually loses the fish, but regains his respect and honor. What is the Christian allegory in the story? Christian allegory ये है कि Santiago carries his mast and it is compared to Christ carrying the cross. What is the setting of a farewell to arm? Farewell to arm जो work है उसकी setting क्या है? That is Italy during World War One. Protagonist कौन है उसके? That is Frederick Henry, an American ambulance driver. Heroine कौन है? Heroine है A Farewell to Arms, Catherine Barclay, a British nurse. Rain क्या symbolize करती है novel में? Rain symbolizes death, rain symbolizes disaster. How does the novel end? Novel end कैसे करती है? Novel ends as Catherine and their baby die during childbirth, and Henry walks away in the rain. What is the title of his first major novel? The first major novel उसका title क्या है? The Sun Also Rises. और उसकी setting क्या है? The setting of this work is Paris and a bullfighting festival in Pamplona, Spain. प्रोटैगनिस्ट कौन है इसके? प्रोटैगनिस्ट है जेक बर्नेस. जेक बर्नेस का ट्रैजिक वूंड क्या है? दैट ही वाज रेंडर्ड impotent by a war injury. So इस वाले वर्क में who's the seductive heroine? That is Lady Brett Ashley. What is the setting of From Whom the Bell Tolls, which came in 1940? That is the Spanish Civil War. प्रोटैगनिस्ट कौन है उसके? प्रोटैगनिस्ट है रॉबर्ट जॉर्डन, एन अमेरिकन एक्सप्लोसिव एक्सपर्ट. उनका मिशन क्या है? टू ब्लो अप अ ब्रिज. हु इज द फेमस लीड इन दिस वर्क? दैट इज मारिया. फ्रॉम विच पोएट डिड हेमिंगवे टेक द टाइटल? ये टाइटल कहाँ से लिए गए? ये जॉन्डन से लिया गया है. हु इज अ recurring character in many of his short stories? कौन है जो बहुत रेकर करते हैं, बहुत रिपीट करते हैं? दैट इज निक एडम्स. In which story does a man die of gangrene while waiting for a plane in Africa? कौन सी स्टोरी है जिसमें वो a man dies of gangrene? That is the snows of Kilimanjaro. What does the leopard, symbolize in the snows Kilimanjaro? That means a search for immortality or a search for a higher truth. Which story features a couple discussing an operation or abortion at a train station that it hills like white elephant? What is the white elephant a metaphor of? White elephant किसका metaphor है? It is the metaphor of something unwanted or a burden. Which story is about veteran Harold Krebs who find it hard to adjust to homes that is soldiers' home? कौन सी story है that actually describes the ritual of fishing as a way to heal from war trauma? That is Big Two Hearted River. What is the title of his non-fictional book about bullfighting? कौन सी है non-fictional book which is about bullfighting? That is Death in the Afternoon. What is his non-fiction book about his African safari? That is Green Hills of Africa. कौन सी story है which actually features two hitmen coming from a small town to kill a boxer? That is The Killers. So this was all about a few writers and poets from American literature. If you have liked the video, do like the channel, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends.